Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today after having a complete lecture done on email etiquette, I would like to discuss some bonus tips or some very quick and small advice on email tips. If you see other video, the last video of mine, it talks majorly on how to perfect your email etiquettes. These are some bonus tips which would add to that to help you to get into better email communication. Of course, we will go through it. So use a greeting, say hello. Avoid being seen as too bossy or too rude, especially when you don't mean to be one. Always have a good greeting to your mail. The easiest solution to sound professional and helpful is to be polite. Please do not change the tone of your email to any other than being polite or assertive. What would be the first thing you would say to them if you are telephoning them or talking them into the office? Do that. So whatever you feel that helps you when you communicate over the telephone or when you communicate face to face, we have to follow the same tone in the email also. Just the difference is there you're verbally doing something, here you're using the written communication part. Use the same etiquette tip when you close your email. Sign off by saying goodbye or thanks or sincerely. Everything is the same, it's just the tone that you use. Use 5 to 8 words in your subject line, not more than that. Most business people receive hundreds of messages a day, so help them notice your mail, which is important, and help them to make it more productive, to make their life more productive, to make their business more productive. A good subject line is tells the person that your message is what your message is about and how will it help you to get noticed and get answered. Mark Twain said, I didn't have time to write a short letter, and so I wrote a long one instead. Well, the same holds for a mail. So Mark Twain, very known communicator and very strong professional, had made, this was like a humor that he made when he did not really know what to do. So instead of writing a short letter, he wrote a long letter. So it is very important to be very brief and effective. Takes a bit of time and thought, but you have to be brief and effective. You have to think about what the reader knows and what he wants and how, and accordingly you can choose your words to very carefully to understand what really can your message sound like. When you take an extra minute, you will be likely to save the reader's time instead of wasting his time. So your taking out some minutes would help him taking out major time of his to understand. And you reduce the risk of misunderstanding your messages as well. So your time is also not wasted, because finally you're investing your time in making sensible messages rather than just people misunderstanding what you said. To bottom line your message takes a little more effort, but your productivity and professional reputation will be better for it. So this is all that you're doing for your reputation and professionalism, rather than thinking of your time getting more wasted and your efforts going in vain. Write a cover letter when forwarding messages. So there's something that you need to elongate the message all about, or you have an attachment, have a practice of writing a cover letter which gives you a gist of what exactly is your attachment about. Nobody wants a long email thread forwarding him to her without any context. People are so busy. To make their work and life more easy and less complicated, do them a favor and build your personal brand reputation by writing a short summary and why they should care and act before forwarding. So have a short summary, make people's life easy, make your life easy as well. And so that's why write maybe a covering letter to help them understand why are you sending these messages to them. Add white spaces whenever required. This will help your mail to be more productive. This makes it like a clean message as well, and it also reduces too much of clogging of messages where the person or the receiver is now feeling relaxed to read your messages and doesn't get further confused of what really he needs to read or what really he needs to understand through your message. Give enough space in between the lines. So if you have 2 to 3 paragraphs, give enough space for understanding that you have uh, you know uh, showcased your sentences in form of paragraph, and that's how you've separated it from each other. Please use pointers, bullets, and numberings wherever needed, where you feel that there are certain white spaces. If I put in my pointers and numbers, it's easy for someone to understand in those line frame. I think these were some major bonus tips which would help you to get into perfect email etiquettes. And the entire video, I feel the entire chapter of effective email etiquettes, I think now, which will bring you in a better position to have better email etiquettes. I'm sure it will be helpful for you. I hope you use it and practices in your daily working life or real life working. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to Ikeda, and please subscribe to our channel.